What's up, beautiful people? My name is Sarah Jane, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make a keto egg roll in a bowl. This thing has definitely become a staple in my diet, and it's super easy to make. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get a saucepan and put that on the stove on high heat. And you want to put some extra virgin olive oil or butter, whichever you prefer, into your pan. And you can find specific amounts of things that you're supposed to be putting inside this recipe in the link in the description bar. So the next thing I'm going to do is add in my minced garlic and ginger. And if you know me, you know that I add minced garlic and ginger to just about everything because it really serves as a good base of flavor, especially when you're cooking meat. And so the next thing you're going to add after cooking this down for about a minute or two is your ground meat. Now with egg roll in a bowl, you can choose to use ground beef, ground pork, ground chicken, or a mixture of all three, but I chose to use ground beef today just because it's what I have on hand and I don't make it a point to eat too much pork. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to season liberally, and I just add salt, cayenne pepper, black pepper, a little bit of all-purpose, some onion powder and some garlic powder, and I just stir that up. And so it's really important to break it down so that all the flavors get infused even while the meat isn't fully cooked yet. That way there's layers of flavor. So here you'll see me adding my garlic powder and my onion powder. I like a lot of spices, but if you don't, you can choose to omit a few just to make it more palatable to you. After all, this is your food. And again, we're just gonna mix it all up, stir it all together, and infuse the flavors. So after the beef is cooked, it's really super simple. You just need to take a pre-packaged bag of coleslaw, or you can choose to chop your own cabbage and carrot. And I also like to slice purple onions in here as well because that gives it a really nice tang. You can choose to omit the onions if you like. And then I add sesame oil as well as soy sauce, and this is really what gives it that Asian flair and really makes it taste like an egg roll. And that's it. That's how you make a keto egg roll in a bowl. It is a super simple and easy recipe. You can then top it with sesame seeds and some green onions or green peppers, and that's it. Thanks so much for watching.